guys! Good morning! Hi Kuya!
Hi guys!
Maadto na mi! So today is the day that I'm getting my rhinoplasty and now we're just waiting for our grab. I don't have any makeup on because you're not allowed to. And wala po kayo nails. Ipatang-tang na po guys. So yeah. Dominic's just gonna stay here, but Kuya JM is coming with me because kuan ka nang siyang mag-help na ko guys. Kaya siya ba dyan ay alamag sa mga cleaning sa mga kakuanan and stuff. Ready na ba mo? So sa Emily and Emery guys is nara sa ilang dada. And the place is like 15 minutes drive. Wala na ko daw skincare or anything guys. Kaya yupak na kawaits. And nag-fasting food ko since 12 p.m. no? 11 p.m. around that time. So yeah, mudong na ta dito guys. Kaya parang noblasti na po. Hello, good morning.
Okay na? Yes. Hey guys! Are you excited today? Yes.
I'm scared.
So,
Lo, so Ed setup.
well, mas more pretty.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, transformation. Are you ready with your TikTok transformation? Transition, di ay transformation.
Transformation gapon
Transformation
dayon.
gapon. So, excited as Erga guys. Dihan?
It's already 8 p.m. a.m. Sorry. 8:18. And akong surgery is at 9 a.m. Ilan na lang ka minutes guys. I'm scared.
Ikaw ang
I'm
first
scared.
client, diba?
Yeah. Because I think si Doc magkuano 2 clients a day. And there's I think ang next available appointment with Doc is like next year. Nga na siya ka-fully booked. Hindi ko na lang ko i-insert.
Adi ay.
Oh, supposed to be, wala na gyud. Sabi, murag insert na lang. Ay, murag nagori na cancel.
Yeah.
Gipuli ni Doc. Ay, ingon man ko ni Doc na kuan kanang una available December Doc, please let me know. Natay siya December 8. No?
Kay supposed November, diba tayo mo?
Supposed to be November to siya guys. Around 3rd week of November. So yeah, let's go!
See you there.
Wala na mo yung makakuha na ko guys. Uy, perfect na. Joke lang. See you guys.
Bye.
Hey guys, we're here. I think this is the place. Epic. It's located here sa Lahog.
Yeah.
Lahog, Cebu City. I think it's
Yeah, I think that one.
okay. It's that way.
Mo ba na? I like it.
I feel like morning.
Wait sa kayo. Murag nag-prepare pa sila. Yeah. They're still
No.
preparing. Australian one. I think this one. Yeah. I like it ha.
Ha?
Kasi panganda epic aesthetic.
Si Doc. Kasi kalimut ko sa mga.
Mga daw.
Guys, I'm so hungry na good.
Yeah.
Like, super hungry na.
Pero dili kay NPO siya guys.
Pwede naman siya mo sodya?
But I don't think so. Let's try.
Ginalak lang nila ang kuwan. Lagi open na lahat na ba ito?
Diki.
Hi. Ah, okay.
You have no reference here, Pabam, no?
Sorry.
This is your first time.
Yes. sa na ko. What's on your friend?
Okay. Yata. So guys, give vital signs eh guys. Give vital signs ang Disney Princess ng frog. Si Ada Ross. Yeah. Wainel si Anna Ross guys.
Green pa dyan na si Ton.
Mas siya madali.
Green ang asiton.
Ate is taking her BP or blood pressure. Oh, taas ka siya ilong og mag side view guys.
Mas na naman yung junction.
Yeah. And after for how many weeks, manayos na po na iyang ilong. Much more better. And then, sunod na lang yung ipaayok guys, kaya na lang batasan. Hi guys. Hi guys. I'm using Erica's phone. Okay, the vlog. Okay, take over guys. Magpailong po. Uy. Bye guys. Hi.
Follow up bon 8 kabuok karon.
I think I'll see you guys later.
Yeah,
No,
see you.
mo naman yun.
Murag lima pero I don't think
Mag-pray up amang ka. See you in 4 hours.
4 hours pa yun.
Yeah, 3 to 4 hours, something like that.
4.
I-pray up amang kanya na ba anesthesia. Anesthesiahan pa ba ako niya pa? What ang bibig kang patugon ka?
But sa morning,
Including the post-op.
Guys, we can't video inside.
Yes.
So, I'll see you guys later. Bye guys.
Yeah. Mag-iris na siya. Asa mo sa nilat nun?
Done ako. But I feel so high.
Ano? Mag-iris na sa Erica guys.
Anesthesia effect.
Yeah.
Kaya iba na ako na-feel. Katulad
After.
I feel like I feel so high because of the anesthesia. I was asleep. And mawali na me. But Jay already paid. He paid for my... But I feel so numb right now. My upper lips, I can't even move it properly. But so far, so good.
Yeah.
Hindi pa wala mag-gulo. So, that was so fast. Thank you, Doc Carl. I will make more
Go
videos.
proceed.
Mag-video pa ako later, guys.
Yeah.
Mag-concept.
Say pause babe.
Wala na ta?
Ikaw.
You
Okay.
paid na?
I'm done.
Yeah.
Loya ni mo eh. Sorry ha.
Careful, love. Kaya ko ikon sa puntungan. Guys, we're back. Tawa ko ears. And I'm so hungry. Mag-order kami food sa Grab. I cannot eat itong mga gahi. yeah. My upper lips is so numb right now. I can't talk properly. Yeah. Yeah.
Gwapa na siya kayo, guys. Sabita sa lamang tako, no?
But yeah.
Lola.
Uh,
Nahawa dia in taon ka niya.
Kabaw ka lang. Nag-anesthesia ba ko, diba? Matog ko. Abi ko gadamgur ako, nanamukaw ko. Ay, ni mata ko na. Ingon ako sa doktor, Dok, manghihis ako, Dok.
Ang kamatan na gidaya.
Pero ako na-feel. Na, di matara ko para mo request manghihi ko. Sabi ko gadamgur ako. Nanghihi ko,
Sakit,
guys. Ha? Sabi mo, binili.
Dali.
Sige, ingonin mo. What did you say? Nagbubo si Mami? Nagbubo ka? May barong siya din, abay siya, bubo ka? May barong siya, siya nagbubo ka? Ma-feel ako ang sakit sa dunggan, guys. Kay kuan din eh.
Hindi pa yung taon. Okay. Naabot na niya yung kagustuhan.
It's go ko talk properly. Look at my eyes. Nabubo po daw siya. Tomorrow pa ni siya cleanan, pero kani siya, pwede na ni siya tanggalon, then alisdan. Kay pang sour na siya sa tugo. Then I'm gonna start taking my medication later on. Kuya Jim, no?
Yeah. Later. After
Tonight,
dinner.
after I eat dinner. But, kani, pwede.
Daliro to yan.
Thank you, Kuya GM.
Yeah.
Kaya ko siya, guys. Naluoy siya na po. It's okay. Pinalala siya, guys. Basta bakuan lang ko gamay. Sige, kayo lang ko. It's okay. It's okay. Nabubo po siya dati. Kaligo sa kaw, karon di na ka magbubo. But you have to ligo. Dili ka. Sad siya, guys. Naluwi siya na ako, guys. Okay naman ko lang. Don't worry. Love you. Love you. Sad siya, guys. Igala na siya, guys. Masamad lang ko. Makuhaan lang ko. Masad na siya. It's okay. I'm fine. Sakit ano yun, guys. Huwag po ko feel og sakit. Tiri up to siya. It's okay, baby.
Yun na yan.